So I'm going to buy some shares today. I'm going to use my favorite two tools, which are WallStreetZen and Freetrade. Okay, so let's have a look at Incite Corp. It's currently trading at $59.13. We can see that its fair value price is $119.87, and it's got a 13.28 billion market capitalization. So big company, I'm really after large companies at the moment. They're a biopharmaceutical company, which is healthcare, which is a defensive type stock. So again, fits there. It's got a price to earnings ratio of 17.77, which again is pharmaceuticals, been around a while. That's not bad either. Okay, so it's got an excellent Zen score there. Industry average of 22 and the Zen score is 68. And I can see that the initial due diligence checks here are all passed around valuation. Let's have a look what the analysts think. Go to the forecast. Okay, so based on 13 different analysts, 12-month price targets are looking pretty good. So we've got an average forecast of a 25.34% increase over the next 12 months. So that's looking really good, and that's obviously a buy. So this is definitely a stock I'm interested in. We've got 4 analysts, strong buy, 3 at a buy and 6 at a hold. I think I'm going to buy some of these, so I'll hop over to Freetrade and we'll look to buy, I think, £500 worth. So here we are in the Freetrade app itself. So what I need to do, I need to go to Discover, and then once this page opens, I will type in the stock ticker, INCY, and hopefully it will be there. Yep, there it is on the top there. So Incite, $59.16 as we spotted. So I definitely want to buy some of these. So I'm going to buy £500 worth of these. Well, let's have a look at some of these. So over the last 7 days, so we're down, well, we're level today. Over the last 6 months, we're down 7.8%. What about over the year? Over the year, we are down 4.7%. So yeah, I think these are definitely shares I'm interested in. So I can buy a number of shares, or I can buy by value. So I'm going to go by value here, and I am going to buy 500. That gives me 10.68 shares. I can buy fractional shares here on Freetrade. I'll confirm that, and that'll go away, and that'll place that order for me. This usually takes a minute or two. Actually, not even a minute or two. £499 that cost me for 10.68 shares. Excellent. Okay, so let's go and have a look for another share to buy. Okay, we'll head back to this list here. I can see Huntingdon Bank there. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's got a great valuation score as well. Let's have a look at a bit of detail on Huntingdon Bank and see if this is another candidate. So here we are. So it's trading at $12.78 at the moment. It's down 1% over the last 3 months. Fair value of $19.37, which is pretty good. In finance and banks is not really in the sector I'm looking for, to be fair. It's not a defensive stock. However, this does look interesting to me. It's got a 19 billion capitalization. It's the holding company for the Huntingdon National Bank in the US. Look at the forecast. Okay, so we've got 15 analysts offering a 12-month price target here. The average forecast is for a 15% increase in the share price over the next 12 months. So that's good. That gives us an overall rating of a strong buy. That's excellent as well. Okay. Yeah, 15 analysts. That's not bad. So let's pop over. Let's buy some of these. I think I'll buy 500 of these as well. So again, if we go to the Discover bar, let's put the stock ticker on here, HBA, and there they are, the top one. So let's $12.76, yeah, confirm we got the right shares there. So the 1 month, oh, they're down massively today, but 9.7% down on the months this week, down 4%, and on the day, down 5% basically on the day. So yeah, let's buy £500 worth of these. Confirm buy. Hopefully that drop on the day has bottomed out now. So again, this should take about 10 seconds to go through, and then the shares will be mine. There we go, 499.21 of Huntingdon. See an FX fee, foreign exchange fee there of £1.94. Okay, let's switch back to Wall Street and see if I can find anything else of interest while I'm here. So Skyworks, we can see over the 3 months it's down 15%. It's trading at $92.05 today. It has a fair value price of $170, which is really high, and a 14 billion capitalization, so pretty good. Manufacture semiconductor products across the world. Zen Score of 57 against an industry average of 30. Let's have a look at the forecast for these. So we've got 11 analysts offering a 12 months price target, and the average forecast here is for a 16% increase over the next 12 months. So that's pretty good as well. Not going to buy into them. Don't really fancy them. So let's have a look at this one. Southern Missouri Bank. No. Royalty Pharma. Here we go. Healthcare is good fit for my defensive stocks. So 16 billion capitalization, price to earnings ratio 15.34, 27.46 today against fair price of $76. That's all really good. Liking this one. The last 3 months they are down 9%. For the forecast. So we've got only 4 analysts this time, but the average forecast increase is almost 44% over the next 12 months. So that's looking really good. I think this is another defensive stock which I will be interested in purchasing. So it's RPRX, and it's currently a strong buy with 3 analysts going for strong buy and 1 for a hold. So I think this is another candidate. I'm going to pop across to Freetrade. RPRX, Royalty Pharma, there they are at the top of the page. So 29.96, yeah, that's the correct stock. Over the month they are down 5%. Over the year they are down almost 18%. So over the day they're down 2%. Definitely interested in buying some of these stocks. Let's go for £500 worth. So again, we'll buy in pounds rather than shares. No, I'm not buying £1,000. Too much. Let's go back. Let's change that to 500. That gives me 23.44 shares, and the latest price is 26.97. Okay, all's good. So confirm buy on that. So that order should take usually less than 10 seconds to go through. Yes, there we go. 499.28. Royalty Pharma. Excellent. That's another one bought. Let's go back to WallStreetZen. Let's have a look at cross country here. Another healthcare company. So fits within my defensive strategy. 14.52. Down 21% over the last 3 months. Fair value of £25. They do talent management and consultative services for healthcare. So even though this is recruitment, I still think this is quite defensive, because even in tough times, healthcare recruitment does tend to maintain. So founded in 1986, so been around quite a while. Excellent Zen Score of 70 against an industry average of 28. So I'm liking the look of these. Let's take a look at the forecast. Okay, 3 different analysts here. Average forecast of 27% up over the next 12 months. So that is fantastic as well. Let me switch across here and we'll buy some of these as well. So I think we'll buy another £500 worth of these. So let me stick the stock ticker in, CCRN. There we go, cross-country recruitment, or healthcare recruitment, which makes a difference. Okay, 2.6% down on the last month. Last year, 47% down. Wow, over the last year. That's a lot. 32% of that has come over the last 6 months, and on the day, they're down 1%. So massively on the way down, but I think we should take a punt on these, or I should take a punt on these. So again, let's go for, let's just check what the analysts are saying here before we go for this one. So 25% favorable, Price target 27.41. Let's see if they're making their earnings per share estimates. So they missed Q3 of 23. However, they've been on target for the others, but we can see a decrease in expectation there. But I think that looks like it's built into the price, the way it's dropped so much over the last 12 months. I'm guessing that's priced in. So I'm hoping it's priced in. So let's buy 500 of these. Take just a few seconds for the order to go through. There we have it, $499.25. I bought myself 43.3 shares in Cost Country. Let's head back to WallStreetZen, see if there's anything else takes our fancy in here. So I can see apparel. I'm not really into clothing in a down market. Mastercraft boats, no. Luxury item. Chord energy, let's see. Energy is definitely one that sits in the defensive marketplace. So this is $171.53. The last 3 months it's down 1.5%. Oh, sorry, up 1.5%. Sorry. Fair value of 246, which is pretty good. Price to earnings really low at 7.58, and it's got a reasonably good 53 score on the Zen, where the industry average is 31. So all them things are good. Independent exploration and production company for crude oil. They've been around a while, undervalued. This definitely looks like a candidate for me. Forecast. Okay, we've got 5 analysts here with the average forecast of 28.3% increase expected over the next 12 months. And they are firmly in a strong buy, with 4 analysts given a strong buy and 1 given a buy rating. So that's excellent. Let's see if they in a dividend. Yep. So they are paying out a dividend. Last dividend was 3.5%. So yeah, excellent. Paying dividends out as well. So I think this is got to be a buy for me. So I again think I'll pop across and let's buy some of these Chord Energy Corp. CHRD. So I'll switch across. CHRD. And there they are, $171.63. Chord Energy Corp. So over the month, down 4.5%. In the day, wow, they are up 1.5%. Pity I didn't buy these yesterday. So I think we'll have £500 worth of these. So the order's being sent.